Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to run down some benefits of becoming a VIP on Poppo Life. All right, so it's very interesting to become a VIP on Poppo Life. So let's listen to some of these benefits. All right, so this actually depends on the VIP that you join. All right, so like we have different types of VIP on Poppo Life. We have the normal VIP, we have super VIP, we have diamond VIP, and we have X VIP. All right, so all these VIPs actually have different benefits. All right, they have different benefits, and for each of these VIP, you will find you're going to find the benefits around here. The benefit is actually listed around here. All right, so for each of them you find it around here. Okay, so but let me run down some of the common benefits of becoming a VIP on Poppo Life. Right, so the first interesting one is actually getting exclusive badges and recognition. VIP members get special badges that make them stand out in chats and live streams. All right, the number two is priority in live rooms. VIP are often given priority to join popular live streams and interact with top hosts. The third one is exclusive gifts and emojis. You get access to unique virtual gifts and emojis that regular users can't use. The fourth one is increased visibility, right? VIP members may get featured more in recommendations, making it easier to gain followers. The fifth one is special privileges. Some VIP tiers allow direct messaging with hosts, private rooms, and exclusive events. The sixth one is more coin and discounts. VIP members may receive bonus coins or discounts when purchasing in-app currency. All right, so the seventh one, which is actually the last on my list, is actually faster level progression. Some VIP membership offer boost to level up quicker on the platform. All right, so this is actually the last on the list that I have here, but that doesn't mean that the benefit of joining VIP on Poppo Life is actually just 7. No, like I said earlier, if you look around here, you are going to see the benefits of joining each of these VIP. So all you have to do is to look at it carefully and even scroll down to see the benefits. Right, the higher the VIP level, the more benefits you get. So guys, that's it guys on the benefits of becoming a VIP on Poppo Life. Hope this video was helpful and you now know the benefits of joining or becoming a VIP on Poppo Life. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.